I am in Zaandam, Amsterdam. It's just like probably 10 or to 15 minutes away from the Amsterdam center. But look at the architecture, my nakute. That's the hotel. And that's the main train station or the Stadthaus. It's just there where we have to get the train. And oh my god, it's so beautiful here. And Primark, where I had a really big shopping done. Yeah, all clothes, shoes, bags, whatever. And of course, another stream. They're all over. It's just so beautiful. Pagkanindot. Tanawa ra na. Murag King Koy. Hotel.